The Columbia City Fire Museum. For the City of Columbia City Fire Museum, one of 3 of
T-shirts are better.
Engine 301 and Tank 305 from the Columbia Township Fire Department.
I got stuck catching out.
I think it's like a mix. Volunteers.
And the Thorn Creek Township Volunteer Fire in 1952. We are 27 as the Assistant Chief, the Thorn Creek Township Volunteer Fire Department.
What do you got? Oh my gosh, what do you do all that stuff?
And how about the Union Township Volunteer Fire Department? Union Township. Out past the Coessie Elementary School on Saturday, July 29th from 4 to 8 p.m. or until gone. This event is free will donation. The Union Township. And a big thank you to Aaron here today, who got all of these fire trucks lined up for us here. Great job, Aaron. Union Township emptied the building today. We got proud supporters of the Old Settlers Parade. And the Arcola Volunteer Fire Department. We'd like to invite you to this year's tractor pulls, July 6th, 7th, and 8th. Gates open at 5 p.m. and pulling starts at 7 p.m. each night. The Arcola Volunteer Fire Department from Allen County and Avoid Township force it to cease operations at the end of the year. We wish to say a sincere thank you to our communities and everyone who have supported us through the years. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Arcola Volunteer Fire Department. www.emergencyevent.com and the East Central Fire